Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE Maths exam sprint series. Here's another question about volume of cones, cylinders. Good question, very much GCSE exam like. Pause the video and give it a try. A cone and a cylinder have the same height and the same base radius, like this. Now, the volume of the cylinder is bigger. So, whatever the volume of the cone, let's say it's V, and this is V at 84, because the volume of the cone is 84 less than the cylinder. So, cylinder is 84 more. The radius of the base R and the height is 3R centimeters. Oh, okay. So they tell you that this height is really, in terms of R, is 3R. Work out the value of the R to 1 decimal place. Now, what we need to do is, we need to get an expression for the volume of each one first. Let's do that. So the volume of the cone here is 1/3 pi r squared h. So pi times r squared times, I know the height is 3r, so let's put 3r. So I get the volume here as pi r cubed, because I got r squared and r, I can combine them. This 3 at the top and this 3 at the bottom, they get cancelled out. So I get the volume to be just pi r cubed. Let's find the volume of the cylinder. So the volume here is pi r squared h. Let's do that. Pi times radius squared is r squared times h is 3r. Right? Now I can simplify this. I get 3 pi r cubed. 3 pi r squared times r is r cubed. However, I know the difference between the two is 84. So the big one, 3 pi r cubed, take away the small one, pi r cubed, gives me 84. Now, you have 3 pi r cubes. You're going to take away 1 pi r cubed. So this is like 3x take away x. 3x take away 1x is 2x. 3y take away y is 2y. Like that, 3 pi r cubed take away pi r cubed is 2 pi r cubed is equal to 84. Divide both sides by 2, 2 cross cross. Pi r cubed is equal to 42. I can divide by pi, cross them out. So I know r cubed is this. So the opposite of cubing is obviously cube rooting. So if r cubed is this, r is the cube root of 42 over 5. You can also put this as to the power of 1/3. So to enter the cube root, you need to press shift and the square root sign on your calculator. Then you get 42 over pi, and that gives me r as 2.373 ... Now the question clearly says give it to 1 decimal place. So let's do the rounding. 1 decimal place here. After the 3, I have a 7. That's more than 5. So I need to add 1 to this one. So the final answer for the radius is 2.4 centimeters.